Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone and yourself. Make sure the battery is above 20% and your finger is clean and dry. This reduces read errors. Open Settings, go to Passwords and Security, then Fingerprint Unlock. You'll be prompted to confirm a PIN or pattern, so set one if needed. Once done, choose Add Fingerprint and follow the first on-screen taps. These initial steps establish the secure baseline and unlock the enrollment workflow you'll continue. Now you capture the print. This is the detailed part. You should place the pad of your finger squarely on the rear sensor and lift between touches. Don't drag. Vary angle and pressure so the system records center and edge ridges. This helps recognition in real use. Continue following prompts, repositioning to cover multiple areas of the pad. Make sure the progress indicator fills completely. If it stalls, reposition slightly and tap more firmly or more softly. You finish by naming the fingerprint and enabling the unlock options you want, like app locking or payments. Test the sensor by locking the phone and unlocking with different grips. If recognition is inconsistent, enroll a second finger for redundancy. If you get frequent failures, wipe the sensor and your finger, then delete the entry and re-enroll. Often inconsistent pressure or a smudged sensor causes trouble. Finally, keep screen protectors or cases away from the sensor area to avoid interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.